A long green veggie, fabulous. Beet, net, beetroot. T for carrot, super cute. C for carrot, C for carrot. Crunchy sticks in every pot. D for drumstick, D, drumstick. Healthy veggie, long and thick. E for eggplant, E for eggplant. Purple veggie, kids all chant. F for fenugreek, F for fenugreek. Leafy greens we love to pick. G for garlic, G for garlic. Tiny cloves with a magic trick. H for horseradish, H for horseradish. Spicy veggie with the English in. A, I for iceberg. Crispy leaves in every burger. J for G, comma, J, J, G, comma. Crunchy root from far America. K for kale, K, A, kale. Green and curly, never pale. L for leek, L, L, leek. Soft green stalk, unique and sleek. M for mushroom, M, M, mushroom. Little caps like tiny rooms. N for napa, cabbage, N, N, napa. Soft and leafy veggie, papa. O for okra, O, O, okra. Slimy star that kids all know, raw. P for potato, P, potato. Mash it, fry it, slice it, go, go, go. Q for quinoa greens, Q, Q, quinoa green. Healthy leaves in kids' squash, oogly squash. Funny name but tasty squash. V for veggie mix, V-E veggie mix. Colorful bites, quick, quick, quick. Gov info wax scored, beefy wax scored. Big green veggie we applaud. X for seagull radish, seagull radish. Pink inside, wow how stylish. Y for yard long beans, yard long beans. Super long and super green. Z for zoodle, zucchini noodle. Zoodle, twisty veggie, fun and doodle.
A is for armchair, soft and white. B is for bed where we sleep at night. C is for cabinet holding things inside. D is for desk where we read and write. E is for end table, small and neat. F is for footstool to rest your feet. G is for glass shelf shining bright. H is for hanger holding clothes just right. I is for iron rack, strong and tall. J is for jewelry box, tiny and small. K is for kitchen stool by the bar. L is for lampstand lighting afar. M is for mirror frame on the wall. N is for nightstand beside the hall. L is for ottoman, cozy and low. P is for picnic table in a row. Q is for quilt rack, holding quilts tight. R is for rocking chair, moving light. S is for sofa, comfy and long. T is for table where friends belong. U is for umbrella, stand near the door. V is for vanity with a drawer. W is for wardrobe, tall and wide. X is for X-frame chair with crossing sides.